Shri Bhagwati, manufacture, customized, fluid bed dryer. A fluid bed dryer is a type of equipment used for drying granular, crystalline, or coarse materials. It operates on the principle of fluidization, where hot air or gas is passed through a bed of solid particles, causing them to become suspended and behave like a fluid. This fluid-like motion enhances heat and mass transfer, facilitating rapid and uniform drying of the material. Fluidization, the primary principle behind a fluid bed dryer is fluidization. Solid particles are suspended or fluidized by passing heated air or gas through a porous membrane or plate at the base of the drying chamber. This creates a fluid-like state, allowing for efficient mixing and drying of the particles. Overall, fluid bed dryers offer efficient, uniform, and gentle drying solutions for a variety of solid materials, making them widely used in industries where precise control over moisture content and product quality is essential. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.